In this photo, you can see dazzling stars, as well as luminous blue giants and yellow dwarfs. But perhaps you cannot imagine that in the dark areas of the photo, there is a world you have never seen before. Next, the captain will take you to explore these dark areas. Within these so-called dark areas, it is not truly pitch black, but rather filled with countless twinkling bright spots, looking like a sky full of stars. When we further enlarge and brighten the entire photo, we will see an astounding cosmic scene. The photo is filled with patterns of all sizes, and each of these patterns is actually a massive galaxy similar to the Milky Way, with an astonishing 265,000 of them. Each of these galaxies contains billions, or even tens of billions of stars. It is hard to imagine that within this tiny dark area, there is such a vast cosmic region hidden. This photo is the famous Hubble Legacy Field, a real outer space photo taken by the Hubble telescope. Everything you see in this photo is not a computer simulation, but the real universe. The Hubble Space Telescope has been stably observing the same target with a long focus lens for 16 years since 2002, with 7,491 exposures totaling 640,000 seconds of exposure time, taking 250 days. 7,500 starry photos were combined, in which some of these galaxies are younger galaxies closer to us, while the farthest can be traced back to 13.3 billion years ago, about 500 million years after the Big Bang. In other words, the 265,000 galaxies in this photo do not come from the same era, but span 13.3 billion years of time, gathered together to form a magnificent picture of the evolution of the universe. Through the Hubble Legacy Field, we can see how galaxies gradually grow into the massive galaxies we see today as time passes. Moreover, the Hubble Legacy Field covers a wider area than the Hubble Ultra Deep Field. This is a comparison of the areas the Hubble Legacy Field and the Moon occupy in the sky. This means that in each area the size of the Moon, there are at least 265,000 galaxies hidden in the darkness. But this is not the limit, because even the powerful Hubble telescope cannot see all the galaxies in this area. Because of the vast distances, the light from many galaxies becomes extremely faint by the time it reaches Earth, barely detectable even by Hubble. So in this pitch black area, it is very likely just the tip of the iceberg. This is why we have never been able to figure out how many galaxies there are in the universe. Therefore, the Hubble Legacy Field is a time tunnel to the distant past. It extends human vision back 13.3 billion years, while the universe itself was born just 13.8 billion years ago. This means that this photo preserves the early appearance of galaxies in the universe. Through this Hubble photo, we can see the past of the universe, which helps humans better understand the early history of the universe. Moreover, if it weren't for the Hubble telescope, we might never have seen these distant galaxies. In the vast expanse of the universe, we are always pursuing the direction of our birth. But the farther we can observe, the closer we get to the past of the universe, and the closer the origins of galaxies get to the initial universe and the boundaries of the universe, meaning we get closer to the essence of the universe and become clearer about the position of humans in the universe. Now, the Hubble telescope is aging, but over the past 30 years, it has brought us countless images of the cosmic starry sky, refreshing our understanding of the entire universe.